If you're deciding between Ria and WorldRemit to send money abroad, here's what you need to know before you hit send. Both apps are fast, secure, and work in dozens of countries, but the better one depends on what matters most to you: fees, spend, or payout options. Let's start with Ria. It's one of the largest money transfer services worldwide. With Ria, you get options like bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, and even home delivery in some countries. It's great for users who want flexibility, especially in places where internet banking isn't common. Fees are generally low, and Ria often has promos for first time users, like no fees for your first transfer over $50. But no, that their exchange rates can sometimes be slightly lower than competitors. Now, on to WorldRemit. This app is known for its speed and simplicity. It supports over 130 countries unless you send money using just your phone. Bank transfers are fast, sometimes instant, and the app tells you exactly when your money has been delivered. WorldRemit is usually better if you want a transparent fees and quicker delivery, especially for mobile wallets and airtime top ups. Plus, it often gives better exchange rates than Ria. One key difference: Ria supports more cash pickup locations globally, while WorldRemit focuses more on digital transfers. So, which one is better? Use Ria if your recipient prefers cash pickup or if you are sending to a country where physical delivery matters. Use WorldRemit if you want a smoother digital experience with fast delivery and competitive exchange rates. Test both apps by sending a small amount first. That way, you'll see which one works better for your specific needs. If this comparison helped you, hit like, subscribe for more no BS money tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.